wonderful morning on our Outdoor Global Education Day?
Yes!
I'm sure you have. I unfortunately am in a meeting, so I can't come around and see all the fun things that you're doing. Today, as part of our Global Outdoor Learning Day, we have been able to open our nature playground. And in a moment, well, actually, I will introduce our very special guest, Mr. Picton, who is our local Member of Parliament for Kaurna. And in a moment, I'll hand over to him, and he's going to do the official opening of our new play space. But before that, and I also need to acknowledge and introduce Aileen. Is it okay if we call you Aileen? Yes. Who is the chairperson of our governing council. And I need to do a few acknowledgements before I hand over to Mr. Picton. So, this playground space has been in the planning for about the last 4 years, I think. So it's taken a long time and a lot of planning, and there's been lots of people involved. But in particular, I need to thank the Governing Council Finance Committee, because over the past 4 years, when they have things like the Mother's Day stall, Father's Day stall, the colour run that we had recently, so all of the money that's raised through those events have gone towards paying for this space. So let's give our Governing Council Fundraising Committee a big round of applause. The other Governing Council Committee that I need to acknowledge and we need to thank also is the Grounds Committee. So there are a group of parents who are on the Grounds Committee, and they get together and meet and talk about how we can make our grounds and our playgrounds and our areas better for everyone in our school. So let's give them a big round of applause as well. Okay, so that's our thank yous done. I'm going to hand over to Mr. Picton, who is going to do the official opening of our playground space.
Well, hello everyone, my name's Chris. Good morning everybody.
Good morning,
Well, thank you very much for having me here again at Hackham East Primary School. It's such a great school that you have here. It feels like only yesterday we were here at the end of school last year where we opened up the brand new science and technology and engineering and maths rooms across the school, which are absolutely spectacular across the school. And who likes the learning in the new classrooms? Yeah? Excellent. There's a few people who didn't put up their hands, outrageous. But it's really good to see that this school keeps getting better and better, and so that your learning can get better. And this new playground is going to be such a great addition to the school. And it's really different now to what it used to look like as a basketball court, isn't it? They've done such a good job. And I understand that some kids got the opportunity to be involved in putting some ideas forward for things that should be here in the playground. And so hopefully you can now see the impact that you've had in your ideas going into what's going to be here for everyone to enjoy. And I understand, did some students have the opportunity to have a play on this morning? Put up your hands if you've got to have a play. Wow, very lucky, the first people to have a play. It looks really good fun, and it's really important because, as was mentioned by Principal Sally, today is the Global Outdoor Education Day, which is all about how we learn outside. And we're really lucky here in the South that we've got such beautiful areas in the South outdoors to learn in and to have fun and enjoy. We've got the beautiful beaches, we've got great recreation and national parks in the South, and now you've got this wonderful outdoor area here. I think the best thing looks like the water feature here and all the taps and things that you can play with, and maybe try not to get yourself too messy, but just a little bit messy. So it's my official duty as the local Member of Parliament to officially thank everybody who's been involved, thank all the Governing Council for raising the funds, thank the builders and the architects who are involved in building it, and all the teachers and staff for their hard work. And thank you for putting your hard work and ideas into this as well. And without further ado, I officially open the Hackham East Primary School New Nature Playground. Congratulations.